Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Robinhood Gold card. First, when your physical card arrives, open the Robinhood app to begin the activation process. You'll need to confirm your card details and then set up a secure 4-digit PIN. This PIN is essential for making purchases and withdrawing cash. Once activated, your card is ready for use. Your Robinhood Gold card offers fantastic rewards. You'll earn 3% cash back on all eligible purchases, making everyday spending more rewarding. For travel booked directly through Robinhood, you'll receive an impressive 5% cash back. These earnings are automatically deposited into your Robinhood brokerage account, helping your money grow effortlessly. Managing your Gold card is simple and secure, all within the Robinhood app. You can easily monitor all your transactions and track your spending habits. If your card is ever lost or stolen, you can instantly freeze and unfreeze it with a tap. Plus, 24/7 customer support is always available to assist you with any questions or concerns. To get the most out of your Robinhood Gold card, use it for all your daily purchases to maximize your cashback rewards. This card also integrates seamlessly with other Robinhood Gold benefits, enhancing your overall financial experience. Furthermore, you can enjoy peace of mind with no foreign transaction fees when making purchases internationally, saving you money abroad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.